Types of companies and procedures. Types of companies. Private limited company. Members minimum 2, maximum 200. Directors minimum 2. Liability limited to unpaid shares amount. Ownership shares not freely transferable. Used for startups or family businesses. One person company. Members only 1. Directors minimum 1, can be same person. Nominee mandatory. Liability limited. Used for solo entrepreneurs. Public limited company. Members minimum 7, no maximum limit. Directors minimum 3. Shares can be offered to public. Liability limited. Used for large scale businesses. Limited liability partnership. Members minimum 2, no maximum limit. Liability limited to capital contribution. Law LLP Act 2008. Used for professionals or small firms. Section 8 companies. Non-profit purpose, charitable or social. Members minimum 2, private or for 7 public. Profit must be used for objectives, not dividend. How many companies can a person create? A person can be directors in up to 20 companies, maximum 10 in case of public. Can be members, shareholders in unlimited companies. Can incorporate multiple companies subject to legal limits. Procedure to create a company. Obtain DSC, apply DIN, name approval, draft documents, file incorporation, certificate of incorporation, post incorporation step. Quick summary. OPC 1 members, liability limited, and public issue no, and based for solo entrepreneurs. Private limited to 200. Limited no. Public issue small mid businesses. Public limited 7+ limited yes. Large companies. LLP 2+ members. Limited liability no. Public issue professionals and small firms. For based for Section 8 2+ members. Limited liability. Public issue no. NGO or charitable organizations.